Today we're going to explore the texture of glue, and for that we are going to use yogurt. In this case we're using Greek yogurt, but you can use any yogurt. Glue acts like as a sticky texture and the yogurt gives us that same texture, but in an edible safe way. So we're using the back of a spoon to add little blobs of yogurt so she can put in the leaves. Now we're putting a bigger layer so that she can explore what happens if you put too much glue. And now you're going to see she's going to be very interesting in the texture about it, in the motion that the mom do. And this is a pre-writing skill. You see how she's pointing her finger and she's moving things around? This is pre-writing skills. Let them explore, let them just get messy, and let them just see what happens. And if you want to extend the activity, you can go ahead and clean up that tray together. Use a little cup, use a little bit of soap, and go ahead and clean that tray in the sink. And that way you are extending the activity and the engagement that they're having.